TinkerCAD is way more than just 3D printing. Today I'll show you how to build virtual electronics in TinkerCAD. So first, fire up TinkerCAD. And at the home page, press on Create. Instead of 3D Design, press Circuits. Click on Circuits, and now you have a new circuit board. You can drag over electronics and test them. You can test out negative and positive ends of one electronic to another, use batteries and figure out how they work, and play around with this new version of TinkerCAD. There are many things you can do on this circuit board. You can connect wires, you could light up LEDs, and test all your thoughts. There's so many things you can do. One thing I did was make an LED thing. Connected these LED lights to the battery, and now they glow. You can run the simulation, and when you run the simulation, you can see that the LEDs glow. And you can even add more of them, so that they all light up. Smash that like button, drop a comment with your wildest ideas, and subscribe for more awesome TinkerCAD hacks.